Sunlight paints the green leaf jungle in vibrant hues, revealing a sanctuary where creatures of all kinds coexist in harmony. Clear rivers wind through the landscape, nourishing the jungle's sweet fruits, as animals share food and offer mutual aid, embodying the spirit of one great family. The greenleaf jungle thrives, an idyllic haven where the simple pleasures of shared life and mutual support flourish under the protective canopy of towering trees. The tranquil jungle is invaded by avaricious humans and their monstrous machines. Trees fall, and the forest is razed to make way for roads and soulless buildings. Animals scatter in terror, their homes destroyed, as the once vibrant ecosystem is reduced to a wasteland. Under the watchful gaze of the sun, Oliver the wise old owl summons the animals to the great river. Leo the lion roars, "We cannot let them destroy our jungle. This is our home." Bella the elephant gently insists, "We must protect it, but without hurting anyone." Max the monkey declares, "We are small, but if we work together, we can save it." The jungle stirs to life as dawn's light pierces through the canopy, filling the air with the chorus of birdsong and the chatter of monkeys. An assembly of creatures gathers as the wise old owl declares, "We must show them this jungle is our home, not theirs to take." In a unanimous display of resolve, the animals nod, prepared to defend their home when the sun rises again. The jungle bursts to life as birds crisscross the morning sky, their calls slicing through the air. Monkeys hurl fruits with calculated precision at the construction machines below, while elephants strategically block paths with fallen logs. Rabbits dig treacherous burrows, and tiny ants infiltrate the machines, each creature united in their defiance against the encroaching threat. In the sun-drenched clearing, humans stand frozen, faces etched with confusion and awe, as they behold the animals' unified front. Raj steps forward, his gaze thoughtful, as he observes the animals. "Look at how these animals love their jungle. We shouldn't take it from them." Raj's words echo, a stark realization settling in. The tranquil jungle is shattered as humans invade with roaring machinery. The ground is torn asunder, a chaotic testament to humanity's disregard for nature. The sounds of chainsaws and crashing timber echo, a symphony of impending doom. Under the somber moonlight filtering through the jungle canopy, a hush descends as the animals gather, their faces reflecting worry and despair. An old, wise elephant steps forward, his massive form silhouetted against the darkness, a symbol of hope amid the despair. The elephant stands firm, his words resonating, as unity and courage ignite within the hearts of the gathered animals. Deep in the jungle, humans prepare to destroy the forest with raised axes. A silent, united front of animals halts them. Elephants, monkeys, jaguars, and birds stand together, a living wall of defiance. The humans, unnerved, retreat as the animals roar in joyous triumph, saving their home.